Ladies and gentlemen, Bitcoin Hyper has raised over $30 million at this point, and they are continuing to truck along. Now, this is a project that we've been talking about for a while now, and guys, when it does launch, I do think it's going to be pretty freaking successful. I think it's going to be one of the most anticipated projects of this year, and with everything going on with Bitcoin, with all the hype and everything, I mean, this just seems like a no-brainer to me. So let's take a look at what exactly is going on with Bitcoin Hyper. Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's your boy Crypto RJ. Now, before we continue, I do want to say really quickly, guys, we have a brand new offer that we want to share with you guys, the On-Chain Academy. So right now, guys, we're basically doing huge sales on the On-Chain Academy. Basically, a bunch of different tiers where you get trading signals, early market opportunities, and a supportive community. Now, this is something that we're offering to the crypto news community. There's a bunch of different tiers here, guys, and each one has its own benefits. I will leave a link down below and you guys can go ahead and check it out, because like I said, there's a bunch of different things here, guys. Ebooks, stealth launches, ICO information, entry listings, just a bunch of things, guys. And overall, I mean, if you guys are interested in crypto and want to make some more money and just want to get some extra education, this is where to go. Now, with that being said, guys, let's take a look at Bitcoin Hyper. Like I said, guys, $30,300,000 dollars raised for Bitcoin Hyper, which is pretty freaking nuts. We could see here as well, guys, what do you think they're talking about? 2026 plans maybe. And guys, again, I do think they are going to launch on 2026 or like this year. I would assume it's going to happen in Q1 if I'm not mistaken. I think their white paper actually states that they are going to launch in Q1. Let me just double check here. Can I go to their roadmap? I'm pretty sure it is right here, mainnet launch, yeah, Q1 2026. So obviously it does look like the deployment's going to happen, which does mean that the actual token launch is going to happen as well. So that is going to be pretty bullish, guys, and I do think that we're going to have, you know, easily at that point have raised around $50 million, again assuming that the markets pick up. Now, for those that don't know what this project is, guys, really high level, it is a layer 2 being built on the Bitcoin blockchain. Okay, so it basically will allow people to have a wallet, an explorer, a bridge, staking, and memes, payments, meme coins, and dApp. So basically a whole ecosystem on Bitcoin. So you're going to be able to bridge your Bitcoin onto Bitcoin Hyper. Then you're going to have the layer 2 operation, in which you could do a bunch of different things like DeFi operations. Then you're going to have settlement and security, and you're going to be able to withdraw back to layer 1. So anything that you do on layer 2, guys, you're going to be able to go ahead and bring that back onto layer 1, which obviously is the whole point. You're going to be able to grow your Bitcoin. Now, the other reason I really like this, guys, is because of how the tokenomics is set up. They're doing 20% towards marketing, which is a lot of money. That's about $6 million. They're also having 10% of the money going towards listings, which is about $3 million at current amount of money raised, which again, I do think is going to continue to go up as the weeks progress. Obviously, we're only in the second week of 2026, assuming we are on for like another couple of weeks and we start to see some bullish momentum, I can easily see Bitcoin Hyper raising about $50 million, which at that point would allow them to have about $5 million for exchange listings and about $10 million for marketing, which again, you could do a lot of damage with just $15 million. And then obviously, guys, there's other stuff like the treasury, rewards, and development. Okay, so guys, overall, like I said, I do think it's a pretty solid project. I do think it'll perform well. I want you guys to let me know in the comments down below. What do you guys think? And guys, that is it for today. I'll see you all in the next one. Take care.